Hi and welcome back to Ednificent. Today I'm very excited because I've just received my G-Hold Working From Home kit. Today I'm going to take you through this kit and what's inside, and then later on we'll have a series of different videos including our interview and demonstration with the CEO of G-Hold herself. We'll take you through different videos on how to utilize the G-Hold products and how they can better help you as a teacher working from home or even in the classroom. I'm very excited to be taking you through this working from home box from G-Hold today. Now, if you're unfamiliar with G-Hold and what its products are all about, take a look in the link below. G-Hold makes a series of different products that will help you teach at home or in the classroom and are ergonomically designed to better suit you as the teacher. The Working From Home kit sells for £49.99 on their site. It can be shipped all throughout the world, and what amazed me most was the quickness of the delivery. Just one day from when the product was shipped, it arrived at my house. So now let's take a look at the box itself. We'll take a look at what's inside and give you a short little preview of the products that come in the Working From Home box. Let's first take a look at the box and how it's presented when it arrives. Now the G-Hold Working From Home kit comes with it all. And what's great here is that we have a whole group of products that are going to help transform your home office and make it even easier to teach and even better for your health as well. Now you can see that over here on the left hand side we have our G-Hold tablet holder. Here is our G-Hold phone holder and stand. And then over on the right hand side we have our home hangs. So we have two of these, as well as the Velcro that goes onto the back of the phone, tablet, computer. Let's take a look now at these individual products within the Working From Home box. The first we're going to start with is our tablet holder. Now the tablet holder is universal, so it can work with any tablet and on any flat case. When we open this up, we'll see that we not only get the tablet holder, but we also have Velcro backing. This is important because the G-Hold products here work with Velcro, and a very strong Velcro as well, so don't be worried about the safety of your hardware. The G-Hold product itself has our holder, and this is going to attach to the back of the tablet, and our Velcro, which is going to attach to the back of the tablet as well, allowing the holder to stick on. The next product in the box that we want to take a look at is the phone holder and stand. Now, in my opinion, this comes in a very, very cute case. I love the bag and I love the presentation of it. So let's open it up. And in the bag now, you'll see the stand and holder, as well as the Velcro backing. Everything comes with a Velcro backing here. So that's wonderful because the more that you have, the better. Okay, the more Velcro that you have, the more devices that you can use. Let's take, for example, this yellow envelope that comes in the box. Now inside the yellow envelope, you can see two additional Velcros. This is wonderful because you're going to have more devices. In addition to the two holders, we also have two G-Hold home hang. Now the home hang itself is wonderful because what this is it allows you to hang your devices wherever you are, around your desk, around the home. But let's say we're working from home. Now the G-Hold home hang is great because it allows you to hold your devices at eye level. So if you, for example, have the Velcro on the back of your phone, you can put it on this hang and you can hang it at your eye level. This is better for your posture, it's better for your health overall. These two home hangs also come with Velcro backings. Finally in the box, we have a laminated sheet that's all about stretching. This sheet has stretches on it that are going to help you stretch throughout the day to feel better as you work from home. Too often, we can find ourselves in these uncomfortable positions throughout the day that we just kind of fall into. So it's good to stretch yourself and also remove your eyes from the screen throughout the day. And this helps you do that. There's also videos, as you can see, that will help guide those stretches as well. Now I'm in love with the G-Hold product line and I can't wait to share more about it with you. Today was just a quick look into the Working From Home kit and what comes in it. Stay tuned with Ednificent as we have upcoming videos on the G-Hold product line, including a video with the CEO of G-Hold herself and more practical videos as well about how to utilize G-Hold in your home office, using mine as an example. So I can't wait to show you even more about these G-Hold products and all that they can do for your work and your health. Now, if you like what you've seen today and you want to stay up to date on the G-Hold products as well as our other videos, please make sure to like and subscribe. As well, if you have any questions or any comments, please let us know down below, as we'd love to hear from you. I look forward to seeing you in our future videos, and thank you so much for your continued support.